Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0533 indicates that the AC pressure sensor circuit is experiencing high voltage levels. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is crucial as it informs the powertrain control module, PCM, of an abnormality in the AC system. The role of the AC pressure sensor is to monitor the refrigerant pressure and provide feedback to the PCM, ensuring efficient performance of the air conditioning system. Located typically near the AC compressor, the sensor is pivotal for maintaining optimal pressure levels within the system. When the output voltage from this sensor exceeds specified limits, the PCM recognizes this as a fault and stores the DTC. It's essential to address this code promptly to prevent further issues within the AC system or related components. The error code P0533 signifies that the AC pressure sensor's output voltage is registering as higher than anticipated. This scenario warrants immediate attention as it can impede the AC system's efficiency. The AC pressure sensor, crucial for monitoring refrigerant pressure, relays vital information to the PCM, located close to the compressor. A consistent communication loop with this sensor helps maintain the system's desired operational pressure. If the sensor detects an abnormal voltage reading, it triggers the PCM to log this DTC, thereby signaling a potential malfunction that must be diagnosed. Addressing the high voltage situation is necessary to ensure passenger comfort and system reliability. The potential causes behind DTC P0533 may include a malfunctioning AC pressure sensor. This sensor could fail due to internal components wearing out or becoming unresponsive. Additionally, there may be wiring issues present, such as damaged or exposed wires, leading to erratic voltage readings. A serious concern could also be a malfunction within the PCM itself, preventing it from accurately reading the sensor input. Each of these factors can contribute to the high voltage reading, thus necessitating a thorough inspection to pinpoint the true cause of the problem. Understanding these potential causes will guide the technician in determining the correct troubleshooting steps. When DTC P0533 is set, several symptoms may manifest within the vehicle's AC system. One of the most prominent issues is poor AC performance, leading to insufficient cooling for passengers. This may accompany unusual noises originating from the compressor, indicating that the system may be struggling to regulate pressure. Furthermore, drivers may notice an inconsistent cabin temperature, which can signal that the condition of the refrigerant pressure is unstable. These symptoms not only compromise comfort, but might also affect the overall health of the AC system, warranting immediate diagnostic work to avoid further damage. It's essential to recognize these signs early to ensure prompt and effective repairs. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0533, the technician is instructed to prepare the vehicle for diagnosis by turning it to the on mode, which activates the electrical systems without starting the engine. This initial step is crucial as it allows the technician to engage the blower switch, ensuring that the AC system is attempting to operate. Following that, the AC switch must also be turned on, creating conditions where the AC pressure sensor can relay information to the PCM. At this stage, the technician should monitor the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to observe the AC pressure sensor voltage. If this voltage exceeds 4.75 volts during testing, the abnormality is successfully reproduced, confirming the issue. Proper execution of this step sets a solid foundation for further diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step involves a thorough inspection of the AC pressure sensor and its corresponding circuit. The technician needs to ensure that the sensor is securely connected and that there are no open circuits leading to it. During this process, attention should also be given to checking the wiring harness for any signs of damage, such as fraying or corrosion. which could cause voltage discrepancies. Loose or disconnected connections should also be rectified to maintain a proper signal path from the sensor to the PCM. By diligently following this inspection step, the technician can identify any physical issues with the sensor or its wiring, which are critical for accurate readings. Furthermore, ensuring strong connections is vital for dependable sensor output. The third step in addressing DTC P0533 focuses on evaluating the condition of the PCM through a diagnostic link connector (DLC) inspection. At this stage, the technician will inspect the PCM for any external damages or loose connections that could impede its performance. Furthermore, it's crucial to check if any additional DTC codes are present, as these may indicate other underlying issues affecting the AC system. The technician should utilize a scan tool to retrieve this data. Analyzing the DTCs will assist in confirming if the PCM is malfunctioning or if it's simply reporting issues from other related components. A thorough evaluation of the PCM's operational state is paramount at this stage, as it serves as the focal point for system control and monitoring. Final repair verification is an essential process to ensure that the repairs made for DTC P0533 have effectively resolved the issue. The technician should clear any stored DTC codes from the PCM using a diagnostic scanner. Following this, it's crucial to retest the AC system for proper functionality. During this testing, the technician needs to monitor the performance of the AC, checking for consistent cooling and observing for any abnormal behaviors. It's also advisable to inspect the entire system for any recurring issues or new symptoms that may appear post-repair. Conducting a thorough verification process not only confirms the initial fix, but also ensures the long-term reliability of the AC system. Preventive maintenance is critical to avoid encountering DTC P0533 in the future. Routine checks on the AC system should be scheduled, allowing technicians to assess the condition of the AC pressure sensor and associated wiring. Early detection of issues like leaks or damaged components can mitigate costly repairs down the line. Additionally, monitoring refrigerant levels is essential to ensure optimal system balance and operation. Keeping refrigerant within specified parameters prevents both high-pressure scenarios and subsequent fault codes. Overall, a proactive maintenance plan promotes system efficiency and enhances driver comfort, contributing significantly to the longevity of the vehicle's AC system. In summary, DTC P0533 represents a vital diagnostic code indicating that the AC pressure sensor circuit is experiencing high voltage. It's crucial to inspect all relevant components, including the AC pressure sensor itself, wiring, and the PCM. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach ensures that any issues are identified and rectified efficiently. Additionally, proactive preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this DTC again. Understanding the implications of this error code and adhering to the recommended inspection procedures enables technicians to effectively manage AC system health and ensure optimal performance for the Honda Accord. By following these guidelines, vehicle owners can maintain a comfortable cabin environment while preserving their AC system's integrity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!